In the bustling world of construction, maintenance, and DIY projects, safety is paramount. Introducing Safety First, a comprehensive guide to hand and power tool safety in South Africa, your ultimate resource for creating a secure and efficient work environment. Dive into the critical importance of hand and power tool safety. Did you know that proper tool maintenance and usage can prevent countless accidents? Our guide teaches you how to spot common hazards and adhere to South African safety regulations, providing you with the knowledge to create a safer workplace. Explore the world of hand tools. Learn how to inspect, maintain, and use tools safely. From hammers to wrenches, our guide ensures you're equipped with the knowledge to keep your workspace accident-free. Discover the essential techniques for handling hand tools and the importance of regular inspections to maintain tool integrity and functionality. Power tools make our jobs easier, but come with their own set of risks. This course covers essential safety precautions, including wearing protective gear and regular tool inspections, ensuring you handle these powerful tools with confidence. Understand the specific risks associated with different power tools and learn how to mitigate them through proper usage and maintenance. Personal protective equipment, PPE, is your final line of defense. Discover the importance of PPE, from safety glasses to gloves. Learn how to use and maintain your gear to stay protected at all times. This course highlights the various types of PPE needed for different tasks and explains how to ensure they provide maximum protection. A clean and organized workspace is a safe workspace. Educate yourself with invaluable tips on preparing your work area, handling tools correctly, and storing them safely to prevent accidents. By following these practices, you can maintain a well-organized workspace that promotes efficiency and safety, minimizing the risk of injuries. Electricity powers our tools, but also poses significant risks. Here we will teach you electrical safety, guiding you on how to handle power tools and extension cords safely, avoiding shocks and fires. Gain insight into the importance of regular electrical inspections and the proper use of extension cords to ensure a safe working environment. Ergonomics is key to reducing fatigue and preventing injuries. There are many benefits of ergonomic tools and proper usage techniques, keeping you comfortable and productive. Learn how to select tools that fit your body and work style, and discover tips for reducing strain and improving overall work efficiency. Accidents can happen, but being prepared makes all the difference. First aid, emergency response, and how to report and investigate incidents ensures a swift and effective reaction to any mishap. We provide a comprehensive guide to managing tool-related injuries and implementing effective emergency procedures. This course provides detailed instructions for using saws, drills, rotary tools, and more. Follow our guidelines to operate your tools safely and efficiently. Ensure you understand the specific safety measures for each tool type to prevent accidents and maintain a high level of safety in your workspace. Education is the cornerstone of safety. Equip yourself and your team with the knowledge to prevent accidents and enhance safety practices. Discover strategies for developing effective training programs and ensuring ongoing skill development. Fostering a culture of safety is essential. Want to know how to engage employees in safety practices, conduct audits, and create a work environment where safety is everyone's priority? Then learn how to build a safety-first culture that encourages proactive safety measures and continuous improvement. Stay ahead with the latest in tool design and safety technology. It's important to remain informed and prepared for tomorrow's safety challenges. Discover innovative tools and safety technologies that can enhance your work processes and ensure long-term safety. Commit to a safer work environment with Safety First, a comprehensive guide to hand and power tool safety in South Africa. Together, we can prevent accidents, boost productivity, and ensure a secure workplace. Get your copy today and take the first step towards a safer tomorrow. Visit our website at safetyacademy.co.za. Remember, safety first always.